são para gerações futuras. Então, o que a gente está fazendo agora vai ser apreciado por muito tempo. E isso é muito bonito.
At the beginning of 2023, an amazing art project began within the temple to restore and renew, beautify, refresh the statues in the shrine and the artwork around the temple.
Everything's already so beautiful. It's a living temple, like it's the first time we are doing restoration work in a temple that has been used for so long and is so alive.
Me cambia el hecho de estar trabajando con esta sutileza, con esta apreciación a la belleza.
Travailler ici, ça a été une chance inouïe. Chaque mission a été spéciale et blessed. Ouais, c'est une grande chance.
Yeah, working in the temple changes you. Yeah.
The First Kadampa Temple for World Peace was designed by Venerable Geshe Kelsang Gyatso Rinpoche in the 1990s and was officially opened in 1997. Since then, for nearly 30 years, thousands of people have visited, meditated, and experienced moments of inner peace in this inspiring place. In 2023, we undertook an art project to restore and renovate the shrine and the temple art, giving it new life after almost 3 decades. It started with removing the original wallpaper that was used as the background of the shrine and painting it a lighter blue, and then adding 2 sets of the collected works of Venerable Geshe to the shrine. And 2 stupas. And then I think it just progressed and started unfolding into something much bigger.
We started with the lotuses, but within metal colors, so that it's not too far away from the metal. All the gold leaf had to be redone. And then with the Bodhisattva disciples, what I never noticed before is that they have completely different features. The lotus of Bodhisattva Maitreya is much more pointy, and the lotus of Manjushri much more round. Their faces have a very different expression. Of course, a very different energy and different characteristics in themselves. There's a lot of washers. The metal underneath still shines through. So a wash is not a solid color on top, it's like whatever is underneath shines through. That's why, for example, the silks around him have a little silvery shine, but the leaves have a coppery shine, so these are the washes. And then Buddha Shakyamuni, we just painted the Shamtap a little bit copper and then repainted the pattern. We basically followed what was there. You see the top petals? That's polished. You see the border of the robes is now gold leafed. We re-waxed everything so that it is protected.
And now that was a big project.
Yeah, Dorje Shukden. Basically, it started with the idea of doing the lotuses and then the flames. The statues themselves are beautiful. They have so many details and patterns, and everything is there, like, yeah, just re-gilded and cleaned. So we did a lot of invisible work. Like we painted everything at the back where no one ever will know or see. And also, people had ideas and suggestions. For example, someone mentioned Karma Shukden has black silk garments, but there's nothing black on Karma Shukden. Do you have a way to add some black? Same with the 5 Buddha families. Just use a green for Amoghasiddhi and a red for Amitabha and the blue for Akshobhya, the yellow for Ratnasambhava and the white for Vairochana, because that's the colors of the Buddha families. And in that way, people, when they come and see the 5 Buddha family plaques, they already have the imprints of the 5 Buddha family. We're trying to go back to the symbolism of the scriptures.
And how about the kinis?
Again, someone had this beautiful idea of lines, and there no one hesitated. We immediately applied the idea because it was just genius. And then once we started the lines, we saw how damaged actually the dakinis are. We tried to take care of course, of all the gold leaf and take care of the bigger areas, like all the silks, without changing the colors. So we tried to mix the colors that were already there, so it looks fresh.
Isso é muito bonito para a tradição e proporcionar isso para as outras pessoas, tanto para um visitante como para os praticantes Kadampa mesmo. Gostaria de continuar com esses projetos ao redor do mundo.
I think I will bring home the special energy of the temple, the blessed energy of a space for the world peace. I think this is so special for me to have the chance to work for world peace. This is so cool. And I'm really happy to have been part of this project.
The project began in 2023 with the changing of the background of the shrine, and it was completed in 2024 with adding this beautiful double lotus as the seat of Venerable Geshe on the shrine. I hope this temple remains, forever, representing everyone's opportunity to enter, make progress, and complete the path to enlightenment. And through its holy presence, I know that everyone who sees will benefit.